Hello friends, my name is Jayakrishna J. I am studying in class 7th A. Today we will know how to make a paper pen. Now let's see how to make a paper pen. For this we will need a gum, a scissor, a scale, a refill, pen's refill and a paper. Now let's start. Now we first have to take this A4 sheet paper. Then we have to measure the length of this refill. I have measured it's around 13 centimeter. So we will cut a piece of 13 centimeter and we should have around 1 to 1 to 3 diameter. So we should need a length of mm, our length will be 13 centimeter and the breadth will or the width will be around 20 centimeter, otherwise around no, we will take 20 centimeter. Now let cut a piece like this. Now I have made a diagram. We have to cut along this line. So now let cut. Yeah, now let cut. We have to place this side inside the refill like this. So our marking will not be seen, like this lines will not be seen. Okay. Now let's start rotating. We have rolled it. Now let apply the gum. Now we have applied all the gum and now it's looking like a paper pen. Now there is one more job. We have to make a cap for this. For that, for this we don't need any nice or new paper. We can also use one side used paper because this is named as making a paper pen by using waste material. So now we should have a piece like this, so we can roll it and make a cap for this pen. Now let's start. We need a scale. Now we will just measure its length of the cap. We just need a 3 centimeter cap. So we should add an additional 1 centimeter for the protection of this tip, needle tip or the refill tip. So we will take 4 centimeter and just draw the line. Yes, now we have to cut this paper. We have now taken our cutted piece. Now we should keep it like this and roll it firmly. Now we have rotated the cap. Now let apply some gum. We have applied the gum. Now let us try to insert this pen to this cap. Yes, it's now entering. So now we have to fold this part firmly like this. Before that we have to apply a small amount of gum here, very small amount of gum, and we have to press it and we have to fold it like this. So we have to apply some more gum and then apply it like this. Keep our cap like this. We have to hold this thing like this. Okay, it always don't need for this clip. You can also have this thing in your geometry box. You can hold it like this and keep this like this and just press it like this, so it will be pressed. And if you don't even have this, you can have this in your curtains and you can just keep it like this. See, like this, so it will be firmly be there. And now our cap is stick. Now we will once more insert our pen. See, our pen is like this. Now we have to color it. For coloring it, you can have any type of color. You can use oil pastels and sketch pens. I'm using sketch pens. For this we will use any color. We will take this blue color and apply it to this pen. You can have this much part blue, and you can also use this oil pastels. I will show how it will be. This is the oil pastel. So we will take this green color and just color the pen. Using crayons or oil pastels is more good. And now I will use a light blue color. And now I will use this orange color. And for making our pen look more attractive, we can make this cap tricolor. So first orange, and we will color next by white. And we will apply the green color at the last, like this. And we will apply a blue line between this white color. And now finally our pen has been colored. See, our pen is be ready. See. And I will show you writing in a paper. I will remove the cap, then write. And you can use this as your personal signature marker pen. Thank you everybody for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like my channel. Thank you.